Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
The App Store appears when you sign in with an Apple ID on iPad. If you do not have an Apple ID, create one on Appleid, Apple, Com, or in Settings. Make sure the iPad runs iPad OS 13 or later to use the current App Store interface. Check Settings General Software Update and install updates when available. Use at least 2 GB free storage to download medium-sized apps quickly. Use Wi-Fi for large app downloads to avoid cellular data charges. Open Settings and tap your name at the top to verify Apple ID. Confirm payment methods and billing address to enable paid app downloads immediately. If you cannot see the App Store, open Settings and tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and enter your screen time passcode if prompted. Disable the restriction for installing apps to reveal the App Store icon. Finally, use Spotlight Search by swiping down on the home screen to locate App Store quickly. Tap Get or the Price button on an app page to download and install. Authenticate purchases with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password when prompted. If the App Store icon remains missing, try resetting the home screen layout in Settings General Transfer or Reset iPad. You can also sign out of the App Store and sign back in under Settings Media and Purchases. For region-specific apps, change your Apple ID country or create a new Apple ID for another region.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.